Can I survive a week surrounded by snakes? I've always been fascinated by these slithery creatures, but I know many of you might think they're terrifying. So, are snakes really taking over the world? You might have seen the news stories or social media posts, snakes in unexpected places, snake sightings on the rise, and people freaking out. But what's really going on here? Are snakes suddenly becoming more aggressive, or is something else at play? One of the biggest fears people have about snakes is that they're deadly. And, yes, some snakes are venomous. But the vast majority of snakes are harmless to humans. In fact, most snakes would rather avoid us altogether. Another misconception is that snakes are slimy. They're not, their scales are actually quite dry. Despite these misconceptions, snake sightings are on the rise in many parts of the world. This has led some people to speculate that snakes are taking over. But what's driving this increase in snake sightings? Are there more snakes than ever before? To understand what's going on, we need to look at the role snakes play in their ecosystems. Snakes are apex predators, which means they play a crucial role in keeping populations of other animals in check. They're also an important food source for many other animals. So, what's changing that's making it seem like snakes are taking over? It turns out that it's not the snakes that are changing, it's us. As we encroach on natural habitats, we're coming into contact with snakes more often. Climate change is also playing a role, as changing weather patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of ecosystems. This can lead to an increase in snake populations in certain areas, which can be perceived as a takeover. But it's not a literal invasion, it's just a result of our changing relationship with nature. So, there you have it, snakes aren't taking over the world. They're just trying to survive in a world that's rapidly changing. And that's something we can all learn from. Snakes are an important part of their ecosystems, and we need to respect their place in the natural world. If you've had a snake encounter, share your story in the comments below. And if you're interested in more wildlife content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.